Okay, so in this session now we are going to see about what your friend just how to work with open. The next one, how to ensure the existence of the specified path, and how to ensure the specified path is a file or not. How to ensure the specified path is a directory or not. So let's have a look here, friend. Just what is with open? So generally, we can open the file in the two different modes. So we can open the file in the two different mode in Python. So just have a look here, friend. Just already we have seen open function. Now we are going to see what your friend opening the file with the keyword. So have a look on the screen, gentlemen. Just going to the new file. So generally, just there is a what your friend just a with open. So then file name is what your friend data3.txt. Here we need to give the file name. Another what purpose you're opening that you have to write, then as what your friend reference. This is okay one style. But in the previous examples, if you notice that in the previous example, so we have learned open function. Open function required two arguments, that is data3.txt and which mode write mode as. So writing what your friend write mode. Say both are same. Now what exactly the difference between opening the file using only open keyword and opening the file using what your friend with the keyword? What exactly the makes sense? What is the difference between these two? So dear friends, if you open the file using an ordinary open function, after all operations, after all writing operations or reading operation, it is mandatory to close the file explicitly. It is mandatory to close the file explicitly. But whenever you are opening the file using the with keyword, so whenever we open the file using with the keyword, then you guys does not require to what your friend, you guys does not require to close the file explicitly. You guys does not require to close the file explicitly. Whenever the control is comes out from the with the suitor, whenever the control is comes out from the with the suitor, then file automatically closed. Automatically closed. I will look on my screen very carefully, dear friend. So import and the time module I'm taking. So just for time being, just instead of the what your friend with the suit, here I'm giving time.sleep for 1 second. So just I want to give is file closed is my question to the Python. Is file closed? F dot what your friend closed is an attribute. It will return what your friend true if the file is closed. Otherwise, it will return what your friend just a false. Is file closed? F dot closed means it will return what your friend, it will return true if the file is closed. Otherwise, it will return false. But again, just what your friend just instead of what your friend instead of with the block, instead of within the with the block also it will be the same. So whenever the control is comes out, now you can see here, now the control is outside of the with the source. So here I'm writing time.sleep for 1 second. So here my question to the Python is file closed. Is file closed is my question to the Python. F dot closed. So just whenever the control is what your friend comes out from the, whenever the control is comes out from the with the source. So whatever the resources is opened by you, that resources will be closed automatically. Here the resource is what your friend just to file. So requesting you, dear friend, just to let me save this. So I just want to save this program. Where do you want to save? In our respective folder. Already we created one folder in the E drive 2021. Instead of this folder, we have created one folder for you, gentlemen. That is February. That is Python February 530. Instead of advanced Python, this is what files. This is about what your friend just with open.py. So and after that, go to the run menu and click on what your friend just run module. So whenever you click on run module, you can see that as long as the control is inside of the what your friend, inside of the with the source, the file is always opened state only. So but whenever the control is comes out from the with the source, the file will be closed automatically. You people does not require to close the file explicitly. So if you want, you can also check this. Then what I am writing is here, what I am writing is outside of what your friend just outside of with the block. Outside of what your friend just with the block. Now time dot what your friend sleep for 1 second. Now you can observe this. Control is for save. Then go to the run menu and click on run module. As long as the control instead of the with the file is what your friend just opened the state. So whenever the control is comes out from the with whenever the control is comes out from the with whatever the file is open, that file will be closed automatically. So you people does not require to close the file explicitly. You guys does not require to write close explicitly. So, but if you open the file in the normal open mode, after all file operations, means after writing the data or after reading the data, it is mandatory to close the file explicitly. But whenever you open the file using with the keyword, then you guys does not require to close the file explicitly. Rather, the file will be closed automatically whenever the control list comes out from the with the suit. Whenever the control list comes out from the with the suit. That is the point, generally. I hope you understood. Right now onwards, you can test. So just to what friend, you can open the file by using normal open mode, or else you can go with what your friend just with open mode. So, but I will prefer with open. So, okay. The next one is what your friend. I want to go with another one. Sir, just how do I ensure the existence of the particular file? I just want to ensure the existence of the particular path, whether the particular path is existed or not. So, okay, just dear friend, just for you to get an idea, this is about what I'm going for the new file. Here I'm going to teach you about exist method. Exist, what dear friend, just exist is the function, exist function from what dear friend, just from a path module, from what dear friend OS package, from OS package. So simply that is what dear friend OS dot path dot exist is the method. Exist is a what your friend function. So just you require to give what your friend path. It will return what your friend just a bool type. Sorry, Jimmy. So what exactly this exist method will do, sir? This exist method returns true. If exist method returns true, if the specified path is existed. Exist method returns true if the specified path is existed. Otherwise, it will return what your friend false. Let me check this, my dear friend. So before going to write, just here we need to import the module. So exist is the predefined function from os.path. OS is the package, path is a module. Path is a module. So in this, what your friend just after importing that, there is a what your friend os.path.exist is the what your friend function. Exist function. Now what I want to do is I want to check data 3 dot what your friend txt. I just want to ensure whether this particular file is existed or not, whether this specified path is existed or not. But it is always ensure the existence of the path in the current directory. So it will ensure the existence of what your friend in the current directory. So just the exist function returns true if the specified path is existed. Otherwise, it will return what your friend false. Let me check, gentlemen. And what is my requirement? Yes. Okay, path is existed. I just want to give the message like this. Else means if not, printer, sorry, the given path is not existed. Given path is not existed. Like this, we can write it. So control S, save. This is what your friend just exist. What your friend exist demo dot what your friend just py. So after that, save. Then go to the run menu and click on what your friend just run module, so that it will return true if the specified path is existed. Otherwise, it will return what your friend just false. False. But just this it will ensure the existence of this particular file in the current directory itself. In the current directory means what? The directory where this program is executing. The directory where this program is executing. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you one more example just for you to get an idea. So just in the E drive, in my Explorer, this E drive, there is a one folder, sir. In E drive, there is a what your friend ADV_630. In the ADV_630 JSP. So in the ADV_630 JSP, instead of the JSP data, just now my requirement is I would like to ensure the specified path is existed or not. I would like to ensure the specified path is existed or not. In which path, sir? E drive, ADV_630. Okay, instead of that JSP, instead of what your friend did, I just want to check whether this path is physically existed or not. So what is the way you have to write, sir? E://. Then what your friend ADV_ what your friend just a 630 //. Then what your friend JSP // date. This is what the path you have to write it. So just os.path returns true if the specified path is existed. Otherwise, it will return false. Let's have a look practically. So just going to what here, friend, just a new file. So what is that? Just here, os.path.exist. Exist is a function from the path module, which is existed in the OS package. So import os.path. What you have to do after importing the module, as you guys already aware of it, if you want to use any function from that module, it is mandatory to use the module name along. It is mandatory to use the what here, friend, just a module name along with this member. So what is that, sir? If os.path.exist is a what here, friend, just a method. In which location you have to give the path // adv underscore what here, friend, just a 630 // So just what here, friend, adv underscore 630 // What is the folder, sir? JSP folder. Instead of the JSP, date, sir. Instead of the JSP, date, sir. Just what here now, JSP / and date. And just I want to ensure, I am requesting my PVM to ensure the specified path is existed or not. Friend, if the specified path is existed, it will return what here, friend, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. But if condition true, what you want to do? Yes, just what here, friend, given path is what here, friend, given path is existed. Yes, given path is existed. Else, if not, sorry, the given path is what here, friend, just a given path is not existed. Like this. This is the way we can write the code. But when I execute this program, internally the Python virtual machine will ensure the specified path is existed or not. If the specified path is existed, existing function returns true, then it will execute this piece of code. If not existed, it will return false. At the time this message will be executed. Control S. Then what here, friend, just exist demo 2 dot what here, friend, exist demo 2 dot py. Then go to the run menu and click on what here, friend, just a run module. This is a way. Yes, given path is what here, friend, just a given path is existed like. So this is a way. But sir, now the same fashion, I would like to ensure whether the specified path is a directory or not. I would like to ensure whether the specified path is a directory or not. So then what is the way you have to write it, sir? Instead of this, sir, my dear lovely friend, just again notice it. Sir, in the E drive, adv underscore 630, instead of what JSP, instead of what here, friend, date, I would like to check date.jsp is existed or not. So date.jsp is existed or not. If it is existed, is it a file or not? I want to check. Sir, I want to check first of all whether the specified path is existed or not. If the specified path is existed, then I would like to ensure the specified path is a file or not. Specified path is a file or not. Where you want to check, you need, right? adv underscore 630, instead of JSP, instead of what date, I would like to just check date.jsp is existed or not. If it is existed, is that path is a file or not? I want to check. Let's have a look here, friend, just how to write the code for that. Right, gentlemen. So a moment back, we are saying os.path.exist. Okay, os.path. What here, friend, exist. Just it returns what here, friend, just a bool type. Such a manner, under the OS package, path module, is file is a what here, friend, just a one function. Okay, just it will return true if the specified path is a file. If the specified path is a file. Come on, my dear friend. Just here, wantonly I'm using import time module, but it's not mandatory. So just what here, friend, import os dot what here, friend, path. So what is my requirement? First of all, I want to check os.path. What here, friend, os.path. What here, friend, exist. So os.path. What here, friend, exist. Okay, exist. This is a what here, friend, exist is the what here, friend, just a function. And just we require the path. What is the path, sir? // adv underscore super // instead of what here, friend, JSP // instead of that date dot JSP, sir. Okay, just now my requirement is what I would like to ensure whether that particular path is existed or not. Okay, if existed, will return true. If not, it will return what here, friend, just a false. Sir, just what if existed. If not existed, I want to give sorry. the path is not existed. Sorry, path is not existed. As simple as this. Path is not existed. Dear friend, if path is existed, I want to give what dear friend just a path is what dear friend path is existed. Okay, if the path is existed, I just want to ensure. If the path is existed, I want to ensure whether the path is a file or not. I would like to ensure whether that path is a file or not. Okay, so just what dear friend, if os dot path dot what dear friend os dot path dot is file is a what dear friend is file is another function. Is file is a function from os dot path module. So just again you have to give the complete path, sir. Slash edv underscore what dear friend super slash slash JSP slash slash date slash slash date dot JSP. Okay, just to know what is my requirement here. I'm requesting my PVM to ensure whether the specified path is a file or not. I would like to ensure the specified path is a what dear friend just a file or not. That's it. So my dear friend, just I want to give, okay, just a given what dear friend, just a given path is a what dear friend just a file. Given path is a file, as simple as that. Okay, let me run this. So Control S. This is what dear friend just a is file demo.py, is file demo.py. So go to the run menu and click on what dear friend run module. First of all, what the PVM will do then, PVM will ensure the existence of the specified path. If the specified path is existed, it will return true. Exist function returns true if the specified path is existed. Otherwise, it will return what dear friend false. When the first condition false, directly control jumps to what dear friend else. By chance, if the first condition evaluates to true, exist function returns true if the specified path is existed. Then control just enter into the what dear friend just to look. Instead of that, what dear friend os.path.is file. Sir, is file is the predefined function from os.path module. It will return true if the specified path is a file. It will return true if the specified path is a file. Otherwise, it will return what dear friend false. If it is written no, just a false means what to do? Nothing to do. I am not writing anything there. Then go to the run menu and click on run module. You will be getting. Sir, path is existed and moreover given path is a file. So path is existed and moreover given path is a file. I hope you understood, right? So any drive adv underscore 630 instead of that JSP, instead of that date.jsp is a what dear friend JSP is a file. It is not a folder. So same way, just I want to check whether the specified path is a directory or not. So just a specified path is a directory or not. You can check it out, dear friend. So in the E drive, adv underscore 630, in the adv underscore 630, in the JSP folder, I want to check whether the date is existed or not. So in the E drive, adv underscore 630 JSP folder, I would like to ensure the specified. I would like to ensure what dear friend, I would like to ensure the specified. Okay, the specified item is existed or not, specified path is existed or not. If the specified path is existed, is it a file or directory? I want to check. So just I want to check. For that, there is a one more beautiful function is given for you, gentlemen. So what is that function is? Then you can observe this. There is a what dear friend is the dir demo. Just there is a what so far we have discussed about what os.path.exist, os.path.what is file, os.path.is dir and just a path. Okay, it will return what dear friend, it will return both. It will return what dear friend, it will return both. So just what is my requirement first? os.path.exist. Okay, what is the location? E drive adv underscore what dear friend just a 630. Whatever the location you want, adv underscore 630. Instead of what dear friend just a JSP. Instead of the JSP, there is a what dear friend just a data set. Just instead of that what dear friend JSP folder, date. You can check it out, dear friend. So in the E drive adv underscore 630 JSP, there is a what dear friend date. I just want to check. So just a date is existed or not existed. If existed, it will return what dear friend true. If not existed, it will return false. Sir, if it is existed, I want to ensure whether that is a directory or not. Sir, if it is not existed, directly message, sorry, path is what dear friend, path is not existed. Like path is not existed, I want to give the message. But sir, if the specified path exists, I want to give what here friend just a path is what existed. Path is existed. If the path is existed, I would like to check whether the specified path is a directory or not. Again, for that, if os.path, os is the package, path is a module. Okay, is dir. Is dir is a what here friend function. Is dir function. What is the path, sir? E:// adv underscore what here friend just a 630 / JSP / data. Sir, is dir function returns true. Is dir function returns true if the specified path is a directory. Is dir function returns true if the specified path is a directory. Otherwise, it will return what here friend just to false. Then print what you want to print is a just a given path is a what here friend given path is a directory, like given path is a directory. Else if not, you can what here friends, okay, given path is not a directory, like. So just whatever the messages you want to give it. So first of all, it will ensure whether the specified path is existed or not. Sir, if the specified path is existed, it will ensure that path is a directory or not. If the path is a directory, it's a what here friend just given path is a directory. Given path is a directory. Otherwise, you'll be getting what given path is not a directory. Then go to the what here friend just a run menu and click on what here friend just a run module. So when you run module, click on run module, you'll be getting what here friend just an error. Unfortunately, I failed to import the what here friend just a module. Import what here friend just os.path module. It's absolutely my mistake. I'm sorry for that. So go to the what here friend just a run menu and click on run module. Now you can check it out. So path is existed, and moreover, the given path is a what here friend directory. So okay, so just exist is the predefined function. So is file and is dir. These three are the predefined function from the path module from OS package. So exist function returns true if the specified path is existed. Is file returns true if the specified path is a file. Is directory returns true if the specified path is a directory. So okay, just this is a way we can also ensure the existence of the specified path, and just a specified path is a file or directory. I hope you guys got the point very clearly about how to ensure the existence of the path, how to ensure the existence of is file and is directory. Is that point clear, gentlemen? So just that is very, very easy, friend, very easy to understand. I hope it is clear for you, right? That's all.